Hi all, now let me show you how to measure the maximum and the minimum value of the waveform. Now in my function generator, I created 100 Hertz and 5 volt peak to peak. So I use this cable, one side is BNC, the other side is two clips to connect to my channel 1. So channel 1 is, the color code is yellow, so over here yellow is channel 1. So on the screen the waveform is also yellow, so it's all of the same color, yellow. Okay, so now I'm going to measure the maximum and the minimum. So you can see that on my screen I can't see it at all, right? So how to find it from the scope? Okay, so the way is any measurement, first go to this button. This button is sorry, it's not, is it focus? Okay, yeah, so this is a measurement button, so we press the measurement. Then after that you will see that at the bottom of your screen there will be add, remove, show channel 1, show channel 2, and the configuration. So if you press this show channel 1, you will see immediately this menu. You will immediately see this menu. So you can see that the first one is maximum, the second one is minimum, peak to peak value, top value, and some base value, and so on, right? So all the measurements are over here. So that means if you really cannot find, you can show everything of them by pressing the show channel 1. Sorry, over here, show channel 1. So the same thing for channel 2. So because channel 2 we are not using, so everything is question mark, right? So now we show, but every time you can only show one channel for this menu. But sometimes if you want to show the values immediately after we adjust the waveform, we don't want every time we have to look for it from this long menus. And also that sometimes you want to show the readings from 2 channels on the same screen, so we don't want to switch between the channel 1 and channel 2. So how to add the values over here? So no need to check this big menu every time. So now what I will show you how to do. So what we do is, so I off this one first. So you can add, there's an add over here. So press a button, it's not touch screen. So you press button, then you will see that on your right hand side, there's a source add. So source means that which measurement from which channel you want to add. So now we are using channel 1, so we choose channel 1. Then add, then press this add again. So now on the right, sorry, this is this one after the through channel 1, right? So we use a multi-purpose knob. So now you can look for it, we can turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise. So just now I add a minimum, so you can see that over here it's a minimum, right? Negative 2.61. So if I I go to maximum and I add again. So now you see channel 1 minimum is negative 2.62 and the channel 1 maximum is 2.46. Okay, so this is how can we find the maximum and the minimum. So if you want to add some other measurement, you can actually just choose from this menu and find the one you want to show it on the screen. Okay, so this is where to add the maximum and the minimum on the screen. So same for the channel 2. If you want to show the maximum and the minimum together, you can enable channel 2, enable the measurement, the screen measure also.